Hi, fourth grade. I hope you had a great week. This week I'm coming to you with our last step to make the book itself for our little origami book. So we just need to make the cover. We are going to be putting some things in this book, but we'll talk about that next week. So grab that little book that you made with the white pages, and also grab a sheet of colored paper. This should have been in that packet that you got of supplies from school from me. Along with the white paper, there should be some colored paper. Grab one of those. Also, you're going to need a scissors, and we'll get started. So I'll see you in fourth grade. The first thing you want to do is take your paper, your colored construction paper, and fold it in half. Now, you notice I'm holding it vertical like an ice cream cone, and I'm bringing the bottom edge up to the top, lining the two edges up, folding it in half, and making a nice crease. Oops. Once you have that crease, open it up, take your scissors, and just cut on the crease to make two smaller pieces of paper. Now you're only going to need 1/2 of that piece of paper, and you're also going to need the white pages that you folded last week. Take your white pages, put them close to the edge of the paper, and you're just going to fold that one edge up. And you can see I'm folding it over top of my book right now because we really want this to have a kind of snug fit, but it still also needs to be able to get on the book. Do the same thing at the top edge. Just like that, and then you can take that out. You want to try and have these be as close to a straight fold as possible. So I'm going to take my paper that I just folded into with these two edges here, keep it folded, and I'm going to fold that in half. I'm not folding in half the same way over the pieces we just folded. I'm folding in half the opposite direction. Make a nice crease, open that up, and take your white pages, stick that to one side of the crease. You can see here's my crease, and I'm going to stick the edge of my book right next to it. So now I'm going to take the edge, the same edge that my book is on, the same side, take that, fold it over, and it's not going to come quite to that crease here in the middle. Just make a fold and go to the very first page in your book here. And that fold then is going to make the edge of the cover. So stick that first page in that little slot here. Now we have one side of our cover. For the other side, take all your pages, flip them over so that they're open. Bring this edge over, fold that, go to the last page this time, and this is going to tuck in that opening. Might have to work with it a little bit. It's not going to go in quite as easily as the first page because it's already in on one side, so it just makes it a little more difficult to get in on this side, but it should still go in. Kind of sharpen those creases a little bit. And there you have the cover for your book. No glue, no staples, all done with folded paper. So I hope your little book cover did not give you too much trouble, but now you can see you have something that looks pretty much like a book you would get out of the library, just on a smaller scale. On the cover of your book, start working on a design for your cover, because this is going to be a book about you. So if you want to put a design on your cover, some sort of drawing about you, and then next week we'll talk about what we're going to fill the little pages with. Just some marker, some pencil, even some crayon, something about you, even write all about me and write your name. Good start. I will see you next week as we finish our little origami book. Have a great week, 4th grade. Bye.